What it do, YouTube? It's 420 Trady here. We don't blaze it, we just trade it. Now today, Curaleaf reported their fourth quarter and full year 2018 financial and operational results. So let's just dive into it. So they reported the full year of 34.9 million in the fourth quarter, 87.8 million full year, and 34.9 million in the fourth quarter. They demonstrated 209% year-over-year growth and 43% quarter-over-quarter, reached total revenue of 77.1 million in full year 2018 and 32 million in fourth quarter. And then they also have a guidance that they're going to reach 400 million for the full year 2019, which is pretty huge, a huge percentage, and it's pretty like bullish guidance. So I could see the stock rising like a lot tomorrow because of the low flow and like it's very volatile, so it could swing like pretty high, morning. And let's see, so for Q4 2018, 31 million, which is basically 32. Q3 21 million, the change is 49% compared to Q4 2017. That's 6 million, and that's 408% change. So that's pretty huge, guys, for Curaleaf. And since it's in the States, I feel like MSOs have the upper hand on higher revenue because they do have a bigger market and they have yet to legalize like recreational marijuana. So that's more that's more revenue for the MSOs, unless like the Canadian LPs can like buy one of the US MSOs, and then they can be like one of the top tier like weed stocks or companies. And yeah, I feel like CGC will buy one of these companies once they get legalized, so we'll keep an eye on that. So managed revenue was 34 million for Q4 2018. Q3 2018 was 24 million, which was a 43%, and their margins were pretty good. They held up pretty nice actually. Just a 5% drop. They still receive 50% of their margins, which is still pretty good. Adjusted EBITDA is negative 3 million. Um, Net loss 16 million. So they did reduce their net loss, which is pretty nice. So their quarter highlights, they raised 400 million in a private placement offering and debuted as a public company on the Canadian Security Exchange on October 29, 2018. So yeah, we already know about this information. If you do want to read the whole thing, then I'll leave it in the linked description below. And let's just see. They have 12, their presence in 12 states, which are highly populated, including Arizona and Maryland. Curaleaf operated 36 dispensaries, 12 cultivation sites, and 10 processing sites as of um, the last year. Um, 87.8 million in full year. Let's see. They also have 266.6 million in cash. So they have that on hand, which is actually a good amount because they can actually like use that to expand into like more dispensaries, get a license and all. So yeah, I feel like they're very well positioned into the US market, and arguably they can actually become number one. Like they can fight for number one spot along with like Harvest Health, GTII, which is Green Thumbs Industry, MedMen, Ianthus. They're all competing for that number one spot, but I feel like Curaleaf, they have that upper hand because of this recent report. We have to like see other report, but yeah, I feel like CURA is still a good pick here, in my opinion. And they acquired Eureka in California and acres in Nevada, so they want to expand to the West Coast. And let's see. I also heard that they're pushing back their share unlock from April 27th to like October, somewhere in October. So yeah, this is a really good balance sheet, really good revenue, really good income statement. So we can see their daily chart. Um, we recently like came from the highs of 1085. We bounced back from the low of 1815, essentially a double top at 960, 955, 5 pennies. I'll say that's a double top. That's a higher low. And then we're just gonna look for the lower high or even break into a higher high tomorrow morning because of the bullish news. And we also have a report saying that CBD is being sold at the largest drugstore chain in the US. So CVS, if you don't already know, is actually one of the big pharmaceutical companies in the States. And Curaleaf is actually supplying them with CBD products. Curaleaf executives said CVS will sell some of its CBD products in about 800 stores across 10 states. So that's pretty huge, guys. If you don't already know, CBD is derived from hemp, and since hemp is now legal, federally legal in states because of the Farm Bill, they can take advantage of that and make even more money. CBD is a very like lucrative product, and a lot of people like it over the counter medicine. So yeah, we'll see a shift from over the counter medicine to like CBD products, in my opinion. So yeah, I'm not gonna get too much into this article. I'll also leave this in a link. So I don't want to make this video too long. So let's just head back to the charts. The volume today was pretty low, but tomorrow expect a huge spike because of these news and of the report. Hourly, we were holding up pretty decent actually. We did start the day at, let's see. So we open over here at $9. So we did hold up by 10 cents, which is pretty good. So yeah, tomorrow we should see a huge volume spike and lots of shorts covering, more people adding to their positions. I think CNBC is gonna pump this stock. So yeah, get ready for tomorrow and essentially next week. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.